Very first thing you want to do is to open up the app and scroll down right here and then go ahead and click on compressor right here. So go ahead and click on that. The next thing you want to do here is to go ahead and select the audio file that you want to compress from the audio file sections right here. So this particular audio file here is about 1.35 megabytes right here. I want to compress it to kilobytes. For that, I'm going to go ahead and click on here to select the audio file. Having selected audio file, you can select as many as possible audio file as you go. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on next. Then here you go. You can see, so you can decide to drag as much as possible. For higher quality, you are getting it to be 1.1 megabytes. And the original file size here is 1.3. If you want it to be lower quality, lowest in file size, you can choose this one right here. But everything depends on the quality. However, you can leave it in balance right here, which is from 1.3 megabytes to something like this. It's that simple. Lastly, come down below right here and hit on compress. So here you go. You have the file successfully compressed right here. You can click on this play icon right here to listen to the audio file right here. You can also share the audio compressed file. You can set it as ringtone. You can open in folder. You can rename it as the case may be. That simple. For more tutorial about how to use this particular app, consider to subscribe. And lastly, how do you get this particular app? Go ahead and access from the app right here, and I'm going to open up my Play Store right here. Then after you open up my Play Store, go ahead and click on search, then come to search app and game and type in audio editor, hit on search, then it's take you right here. Go ahead and download audio editor and music editor right here. Go ahead and click on it. I've already downloaded it and I'm enjoying it. That is why I try to share with you this particular app right here. After a successful download and install, go ahead and hit on open. Once you click on open, it takes you to the interface whereby you can start to use different tools to edit your audio as the case may be. It's that simple. For more tutorial like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.